It is great to see you all again at Wealthy Coins. Now that Shytoshi has come clean, the Shiba Inu population is about to explode. STIB updates. A tweet from Shiba Inu main developer Shytoshi Kazama in January 2022 sparked rumors about a Shiba Inu holder user. For those who follow the Shib community on Twitter, Shytoshi is dropping hints, an upcoming collaboration. In his vague letter, Shytoshi alluded to a conversation he had with his mentor in which they agreed that I will no longer be able to remain invisible beyond the year 2022. The real fun starts after it's unveiled, he said, as he closed. Shytoshi recently came clean about who he is, and we'll be discussing that in this video. Parabolic flight is imminent for Shiba Inus. The latest updates on Shiba. For further updates on our expert forecasts and coverage of the Shiba Inu prize, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. Assuming this is true, it seems that Shytoshi is about to come clean about who he is. Nevertheless, people tend to read between the lines when identities are revealed because it goes against expectations. During his Christmas Eve statement, Shytoshi hinted that Shibarium's release would be soon after the new year. In order to take Shibarium beyond its meme coin status, Shibarium, an Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution, is essential. Included in this is the capability to host metaverse and gaming applications, as well as the launching of the Shi stablecoin, which is pegged to $0 1 cent. Several articles on Shi the Metaverse featuring concept art reveals of several virtual settings have been featured in recent pieces on the Shiba Inu ecosystem blog. The 76% year-to-date loss for the Shib cryptocurrency is comparable to the decline observed with Ethereum and Bitcoin. Anonymized Shiba Inu founder Ryoshi erased all traces of his online presence on Monday, leading many to wonder what would happen to the initiative moving forward. Nothing has come out of his silence on the subject, and his Twitter account is currently unresponsive. Leading developer Shytoshi shared ideas in a medium reaction to Ryoshi's apparent departure from Shiba Inu. According to Shytoshi, he is clueless about Ryoshi's whereabouts, as stated in the post. However, in an effort to allay fears, he announced that he would be taking up the project and bringing Ryoshi's goal to fruition. This includes creating Shib gatherings and, in the long run, a ShibaCon. Along with a 3% decline in the value of Shib, the Shiba Inu price has been trending downward on its chart for the past 24 hours. Similarly, meme coin did not see any advances last week, falling below key support levels after a 6% decline in value. There is presently a pattern forming on Shib suggesting that the currency might have an upside breakout in the next day or two. According to the daily chart, the technical outlook is still showing indicators of bearishness. The most of this month, sellers have maintained pricing control. In order for Shib to complete its upward breakthrough, buyers must still step in. In the next trading sessions, the coin may decline on its chart before making a comeback if the technical analysis is to be believed. Supporting the idea that buyers have stayed low in the market, the trading volume of Shib fell. The current price of Shib is 90% lower than its all-time high, which it achieved about a year ago. The current market price for Shib is $0 0 cents. Price of Shiba Inus dropped below the support level of $0.0000082 throughout the previous 7 days. As long as demand is minimal, the Shiba Inu price is likely to drop below the $0.0000008 mark. Its formation of a symmetrical triangle pattern lends credence to the idea that a breakout would cause the coin's value to rise. It will break out once it reaches the first local support, which was at $0.0000076. Once the breakout occurs, the Shiba Inu price will surge to $0.0000804 USD. Once that resistance is cleared, the coin will continue to rise to $0.0000008. 6 reasons for low buyer activity include a decrease in the number of Shiba Inu traded in the previous session. Prices have recently dropped. The relative strength index has been below 14. At the time of publication, the indicator's reading showed that there were more selling than buyers, suggesting a negative market. Additionally, sellers were pushing price momentum in the market as Shib dipped below the 20 simple moving average line, indicating a lack of demand. The meme coin might go above $20 if Shib stays above $0.00. The odds of Shib's value falling on its chart have been bolstered by other technical indications as well. Parabolic SROs show the asset's trend and price direction. This is still in a decline since the indicator was above the price candlesticks. Price momentum and trend reversals are shown by the moving average convergence divergence. MACD's persistence in painting radisgrams signaled sellers to the market because of the potential impact on the price of Shib, that is. As a whole, the cryptocurrency market was not very spectacular in 2022. The price of cryptocurrencies remained low due to a number of factors, one of which being a prolonged bear market. Currencies are presently trading at a 60% to 90% discount to their all-time highs. Even Shiba Inu, the #2 meme coin, isn't immune to this. At this time, it is not apparent who the enigmatic figure is concealing behind the name. Nevertheless, the screenshot accompanied by intriguing details was published in a recent tweet by Twitter user Shibu Pebu. In the screenshot, Kusama is seen posting to Discord, stating that he and his mentor had a conversation about how impossible it will be to stay invisible by the year's conclusion. January 21, 2022 was the date of the message. Additionally, the year 2022 will soon come to an end. You can't merely align and disrupt an industry while remaining unseen, he added. The world will never know if Kusama keeps his vow and comes clean about who he really is. Shiba Inu is quickly becoming a blockchain focused on value, despite its reputation as a meme coin at first, but it can't get there unless it stops relying on old technologies like Ethereum. That clarifies how Shibarium came to be, solution for Layer 2 blockchain on the network. With the release of Shibarium, the majority of SHIB transactions that were previously conducted on Ethereum will now be conducted on Shibarium. Since low throughput capacity and expensive gas fees are Ethereum's main critics, this is a major advance. These factors have greatly hindered the growth of the SHIB network, as Shiba Inu is built on Ethereum. Very good. In order to make Shibarium more scalable, one of the goals of Shibarium is to use Ethereum's security layer as a Layer 2 solution. Shibarium provides a number of advantages, including decreased costs and quicker transaction processing speed. Having said that, the debut of Shibarium will significantly reduce transaction fees. These costs will primarily pertain to the burning of Shibib tokens. Using data provided by the network team, Shibarium will provide a method for burning Shib tokens. Cuts to the supply of Shib could turn it become a utility token. More than 40% of the Shib tokens have been burned since the network's debut, according to Shib burn data. But there's still too much token in circulation to make it useful as a utility token. Apps are now trending in the cryptocurrency industry. The Shib team is working hard to make Shibarium a top choice for developers looking to build dApps. The Shibarium development team is confident in the platform's potential to be an agent in the metaverse. Proponents of the metaverse see it as a paradigm shift in online interaction and the future of the digital world. Although he has refused to disclose a precise release date, Kusama, the unnamed primary developer of Shib, has promised that the introduction of Shibarium would occur. Nothing new from Kusama. He has been making the same points for a long time now. The introduction of the Shibarium is expected to increase the value of Shib because to the increased demand for this token, because Shib's transaction processing speeds are faster and more cost. Additional will be possible. Accordingly, once Shibarium is live, the Shib community anticipates